Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Jenny's, and we're going to talk about our 3-day sale we got going on at the Dollar General, and you know you want to know. So come on in, and on your way in, please like and share the video. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you just stopping by, well, after you watch this video, go back and check out the other ones. We'll save you tons of money and get you lots of stuff for free. You like free stuff? Well, so do we. Come on, be one of our crazy friends. Look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell. Make sure it's on all. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. You won't miss any of that. Okay, let's start off with a soda deal. We got the RC and the Canada Dry for $2 for $2.50. On the 2 liters, we've got the Pure Leaf Tea and the Lipton Tea products. Save $3 when you buy 2. And the Lipton Tea is $2.25 each. So that's a good deal there. And you've got extra points on Fetch for Lipton. Now we also have this 3 for $8 on your Dr. Pepper A&W bottles. 7-Up, RC Cola, and Canada Dry, and Sunkist. And you've got a $1 coupon. That's going to make them 3 for $7. You want to go early start? Well, here's dollar pumpkin, guys. So here's raw pumpkin. And just a little tip for you. If you have a dog that happens to have problems with constipation or just has some bathroom issues, pumpkin is a great additive, okay, to their diet. Put a little pumpkin in their dog food. It's good for them. Next, we've got this evaporated milk 2 for $2. Now, this is an awesome deal, guys. This stuff is $1.79 usually, and this is emergency food as well. So go and get you some of this $1 evaporated milk. Put it in your cupboard. Even if you don't use it, save it for later. And if you run out of milk, you don't have to run to the store. You can actually take the evaporated milk, add you some water, and add either a little bit of honey or corn syrup or sugar. Just a little bit. Chill this up real good, and you got milk. Yeah, those are called poverty tips. Yeah. And look at here, guys. We have got our soup base, beef broth, chicken broth, 2 for $3. Again, this is a great time to stock your cupboard up with some of those essentials. We've also got Christmas decorations, the lawn stuff, outdoor decor, 50% off. This is a great opportunity to get you some stuff to decorate your lawn with. We also have the instant savings on the Sterlite Holiday Totes. Skippy peanut butter for $2.95, regularly $4.95. Again, this sale is turning out to be a food deal, which is great because today's Wednesday anyway. It's food day. If you're new here, we try to focus one video a week on food items at least because, well, that's what we need the most. We've also got $5 Arm & Hammer with a $1.50 coupon off, making that $3.50. We've got $8.50 on the Quilted Northern with a $1 coupon off. Now, let's get down here to some holiday early Christmas gifts. We've got 25% off a Bluetooth speaker, 25% off your wireless earbuds, wall signs, Hot Wheels cars, buy one, get one free for those little Hot Wheel aficionados in your family, BOGO on the dolls, and 20% off on Legos, guys. So this right here is your 3-day sale from November 9th to 11th. And of course, if you want to use your spend cash towards some peanut butter and other food items, well, that's even better. Now, what else do we have going on in the food department? Well, we got 3 for $5 for the chunky soups. And then we also have our coffee deals, guys. Don't forget, we've got our coffee coupons. We have several coffee coupons. We've got General Mills cereal, 2 for $5. We've got $1 off of 2, so that's 2 for $4. We've got this Pepsi and Mountain Dew, 3 for $15. And we got a $2 digital coupon for that as well. And more, guys. Cake mixes for your holiday meal. Brownies, 2 for $3, 2 for $3.50, 2 for $3.50 on the icing as well. So this would be it's going to be a great help for that. We also have our Kellogg's 3 for $7 on your Kellogg's products. Your Eggo waffles, 2 for $5. We've got, well, $3 on the small country crock. Unless you have to, I would not purchase that. I'd just go ahead and get butter. It's the real deal. And it's a pound instead of 15 ounces. And then we have the International Delights, 2 for $5. And we have a coupon for that as well. $5.95 on the Maxwell House and IHOP coffee. Club crackers, $3.85. That's a little sale, not a whole lot. However, the Triscuits and the Wheat Thins, 2 for $5. We've got that Nabisco when you spend $9. That you're going to get $2 off. That might be interesting. Might try to find something to work with that. And we've got a Prego deal. And the Prego is on sale, 2 for $5. Now the Ragu is on sale, 2 for $4.50. So it's just going to be a matter of preference. However, the Ragu does not have an instant savings, and the Prego does. Prego. There's your laugh for the day. Blooper. So your Prego has an instant savings. When you spend $8, you'll save $2. So we also have Hershey's candies. Buy 2, get 1 free. And we have those Hershey coupons that will work with any of this Christmas candy. Christmas trees are 25% off, guys. Might want to wait a little bit on that. It may get cheaper. So that's it for this video today. That's it for this video. I'll have another one for you today with scenarios to save you money on your food items, things that we absolutely have to survive. Remember, guys, don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to read the comments, because my friends like to leave their deals below. And if you'd like to leave a deal below, feel free to do so. So make sure you read the comments. Make sure you leave a comment. Love you bunches for doing so. It's super important to YouTube. And make sure you come back and see us, because we're going to have more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. And who knows what we're going to get for free next. See you then.